Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I'm back, and this is my look for today. I want to call this one Tropical Paradise. It just looks really bright and pretty for the spring. I have on a soft lip. I'm wearing the Wynn Cosmetics again, wearing that magenta lip liner, and I have on the pink lip gloss. And I use this Ruby Kisses Luxe palette to create the eye. I'm wearing Tango Mango, which is the mango looking color, Teal Me Over, which is the teal. I have on, which one is that? Oh, Golden Radiance, that's the gold right in the front. Then I also put on some of my Almay Midnight Sky in the tail end here, and a little bit of purple. Yeah, so that's my look. I'm actually running late. I'm going to get a full detail video on these babies, so stay tuned. I'll probably have it up by tonight. And yeah, so that's about it. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.